Today we are replacing fan on Lenovo Thinkpad P52s. I've sped up the video to save some time. You can hear how bad the fan is and is so noisy and loud. And when the fan grinds like this, that means it's not rotating at the right RPM and cooling down the machine properly. For this machine, we couldn't find just the fan, so we had to order the whole heat sink and the fan. The heatsink on this fan came with thermal paste pre-installed, so we didn't have to replace that. Here you can see how smooth the fan is running. It's totally quiet and it's rotating at the right RPM and cooling down the machine the way it's supposed to. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.